This is a 100% tallow soap bar. I wanted to show you what the lather was like. See, it's not very bubbly. It's creamy. You get a little bit of bubble. It's creamy, but it's not very thick. Okay, this is the tallow soap bar that has olive oil, coconut oil, and castor oil. Let's see how this one lathers. So right away you can see the bubbles. So this is the tallow soap bar that has olive oil and castor oil. Let's see how it lathers. Oh, I can feel it right away. It's so smooth. So it's not as abundant as the coconut oil, but it's still less bubbly, but creamier than the tallow on its own.